This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if the sound is not working on your Android phone. Now this could be depending on if you have a Samsung phone or a Motorola or Google Pixel. It could be a little bit different. Now the first thing you should look at is your side buttons here for your volume. Just make sure your volume is turned up enough, and you can see my volume is on, but I have my phone set to vibrate. So I'm not going to hear anything come through in terms of rings or anything like that, or text messages. So this little icon right here, so what I want to do is just tap it and then set this to the speaker icon. So on your Samsung phone you're not going to have that option. You're just going to see the volume that goes up and down. So we'll have to go further into the settings to actually see if we have it set to vibrate. So what we want to do now is just go down from the top right, just like this, and go to settings. Scroll on down and go to sound and vibrations, and we can see that we have the sound turned on right here. So if it's set to vibrate or mute, set it to sound so we can actually hear what's going on. Then we can go down to system sounds and just make sure we have the system sounds high enough so we can actually hear what's going on. Then go to volume and we can see the audio mixers on here. So media is probably going to be what you want to go ahead and have turned up high enough. So for like your YouTube videos or music or something like that, media needs to be high up. Ringtones or notification system, just make sure all this is set to at least like halfway, or unless you really want to have it lower. And then our alarm is down here as well. So we can go back under here, and then one thing we do want to look at is if we have our Bluetooth options turned on. So our phone, it could be connecting to like a Bluetooth speaker or something like that, or a headset. So go to your Bluetooth options and we just hold down on it. And we could try just turning this off, or disconnecting some of these headsets. And it doesn't look like, well, I might be connected to some of these devices right here. I got my PlayStation controller, my Tesla, and my Tesla I think is connected. So we can just see everything right there. So just try turning off your Bluetooth. So we can just tap this and we can just turn it off right here. And see if our sound on our headset, on our phone now works just by simply turning our Bluetooth off. Now another thing to look at is if we have Do Not Disturb on. So on my Samsung phone I have Do Not Disturb. So if we have this turned on, we're not going to be getting like any notifications or ringtones or anything like that coming through. So if you have set to until I turn off, go to off right here, go to done. Then on our Samsung phone we have the option for media output. If we go to this option, we can switch between the different speakers, between like my sound bar, my Bluetooth speaker, my headset, and I can just go back to my phone right here. On my Motorola or my Google Pixel phone I don't have that as an option, but I think I do have Do Not Disturb right here, so I can just turn this off as well. So look through all these different settings, like Bluetooth options. Then if you did connect to like a TV by accident, maybe you're streaming your phone to your TV and you don't even realize it. So you could try turning off your Wi-Fi for the moment. Turn off your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth and just see if that helps. Could. Also, just restart your phone. Maybe there's an issue, just your phone is glitched. And then at the end here, we can just go to settings and we can go all the way down to About Phone. Go down to where it says Reset. And this might be under System on your other phone, if you have a Google Pixel Motorola. And we have the option to reset all settings. Now this isn't going to delete anything, but some of the stuff under here, we might have to sign back into our phone or something like that, because it's going to reset all the settings on the phone, including the sound settings. So if there's a setting that we change that causes, well, we should be able to just get rid of that. And then the next time we use our phone, well, we should be able to, fix it. So just look at that as this option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.